Have you ever used AI today? Maybe to search information, translate a sentence, or even help with your homework? If yes, then you are already part of the AI generation. Today, I would like to share my opinion about future trends and preparedness in the age of AI. First, let's talk about the emerging trends in AI that we should be aware of. AI is growing very fast and is now part of our daily lives, whether in education, healthcare, business, or even social media. One major trend is automation, where AI can do repetitive tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. Another trend is personalized technology. For example, when you watch video or shop online, AI recommends things based on your interests. And interestingly, AI is also becoming more creative. It can also make people write essays, design posters, and even create music. So AI is not only smart, it's becoming creative too. Now let's talk about how can we keep up with all these changes. In my opinion, we need to become active learners. We can follow trusted websites, watch educational videos, and join online courses. Social media can also help, but only if we choose the right content. We can also learn by discussing with teachers, friends, or joining seminars or workshops. And remember, learning about AI is not a one-time thing, it's a continuous process. Next, what strategies we can use to adapt? The key is skills, not just technical skills but also soft skills. We need critical thinking to evaluate information from AI. We need digital literacy to use technology wisely and responsibly. And most importantly, we need creative and communication, because these are things that AI cannot fully replace. Now, should we be afraid of AI? I don't think so. Instead, we should learn how to work with AI, not compete against it. Because AI is a tool, is here to support us, not replace us completely. So, we stay flexible, open-minded, and willing to learn. We will not be left behind. We will grow with the technology. And that's all for me. Thanks for your kind attention. Bye bye.